everyone, welcome to Parda Live. This is me, Aneko Magan. Just now I watched Salute official trailer from Malayalam film industry starring Dulquer Salmaan, Manoj K. Jayan, Diana Penty and a lot of other veteran Malayalam actors. So basically the trailer depicts that this film will be an upcoming well-made thriller, and moreover it looks like an amazing version of the Kerala police and how they unravel some cases. So basically Dulquer Salmaan plays as a cop, a different kind of a cop, hopefully, because the director of this particular film, Roshan Andrews, he has made an amazing thriller called Mumbai Police way back in 2013. That was an amazing thriller from Malayalam film industry. Malayalam film industry in particular, they are known for making some amazing thrillers in the history, and the way they make these thrillers, you know, with the twists, with the turns, amazing, just amazing. You might be thinking that Drishyam is an amazing thriller. No, Drishyam is an awesome thriller. You all know that. But out of Drishyam and with reference to other films as well, they have an amazing track record, you know, Malayalam film industry and Kannada film industry. They have some amazing thrillers. So you can go and check out them whenever it's possible from your side. So basically this film is written, this particular film which is called Salute is written by Bobby and Sanjay. So that is a new thing, because writers writing a script and the other veteran directors making a film out of it and directing it is a big thing, because in India usually writers are not treated well. The writers are treated like, okay, you have written something, we'll pay you, just get lost. But I'm seeing a remarkable change in Indian film industry, starting from Malayalam film industry, Tamil film industry, every other film industry, you know, they are giving equal importance to the writers. So basically writers make your stories, writers make stars, okay? So you have to give importance to the writers. Whoever it is, even if the film is a failure, you have to give respect to the writers, because they are spending a lot of their mind, spending a lot of their energy in writing. And these people, you know, they try to indulge in creativity, and out of curiosity they write so many things. Sometimes it will work on big screen, sometimes it will work on OTT platforms, you never know. So coming to talk about the technicalities, the music and BGM is by Jakes Bejoy, and the trailer BGM was amazing here. It was just amazing. Jakes Bejoy is someone whom I look forward to, especially his BGM, especially that Kalki theme, no, from Malayalam. Amazing theme. Usually all these theme musics are not popular in Malayalam films because they make very class oriented films. They make films which are you can call them art films, but having a mass mainstream kind of BGM for a mainstream actor like Dulquer Salmaan, no? Amazing. So I'm looking forward to this particular film called Salute. One more interesting fact about this particular film, Santosh Narayanan was supposed to be the music composer of this particular film. I don't know what happened after that. He's not the composer anymore. Jakes Bejoy has come into the picture. So it may be a blessing in disguise for the makers and for all of us, who knows. So I am excited and I am waiting for this particular film whenever it releases. Probably it's a Pongal release, I hope. So anything can change, because Radhe Shyam, Triple R are releasing the particular timeline. So anything can change, anything can happen, because all these three films are hugely awaited films and they are long in pipeline, you know. So let's see how this film Salute is. So no reference to Salute of Tamil version starring Vishal. So we'll talk when the film releases. So until then, see you guys with more such reviews and trailer reaction. Bye.